for our next project, we are going to introduce you guys to Revit. So what we need to do is come down here to the floor plan examples section, and you're going to pick one of these floor plans to copy. I'm just going to pick number one. We can see what a 3D view of the house looks like, and then we can see what the floor plan looks like. You guys can enlarge this later on if you'd like to, so you can read a little easier. A couple things to notice. It just gives us general dimensions. When this is 12 by 10, we can see that it's a little bit wider than it is tall. So this room is generally 12 by 10. This says covered deck, and this thick black outline is the outline of the house. We're going to skip drawing decks and things like that. We're just going to draw the outline of the house in Revit. So to get started, I want to open up Revit, which I've done here, and we're going to go to New. And we can actually even skip this part. We're just going to click on Architectural Template. If that's not an option for you, click on New, hit Browse, and you're going to go to Residential Default, then hit Open Up. So we always want to do the Residential Default one. Don't do the Architectural Template. I'm sorry if that's confusing. So always hit Browse, Residential Default, hit OK, and you're going to open up to a brand new project here. Give it a second to load up. It's automatically going to default to being on the first floor plan, which is great for us. So I'm going to start in this corner by drawing the walls. We always want to draw walls first before we get too carried away with anything else. So to draw walls, I come up here to walls, and I got to pick the type of wall that I want. By clicking on this basic wall here, I can pick a whole lot of different ones. We're going to do an exterior wall, and you can do bricks if you want, you can do shingles if you want, you can do siding. I prefer to do the wood siding over wood stud. To draw a wall, you click, let go, you move it to however long you want the wall to be, and then you click again. And it's going to automatically start drawing the next wall. So what I'm going to do is just generally draw the shape, and then I hit escape to stop drawing. Then I'm going to come back over here, look at my picture again, see that I'm going to go 12 feet here, 14 feet here. And I'm going to have to make some guesses at how big this stuff is. I'm going to probably guess it's about 20 feet there, because if I go 12 plus 14, I get 28. Yeah, I'm probably at, and then I can subtract 52 from 28. I can use my calculator. I get 24 feet from here to here. And if you're off a little bit, that's just fine. So I'm going to come back here and change this. It's 12 feet, I'm good. 24 feet. So I'm going to click on this. Look at that, 24 feet right on the money, I'm good. Let's come back here. And 14 feet. It's funny, you would think if I wanted to click on this wall, I have to click on it, but sometimes I'll wind up having to click on this wall to change that. Now I'll come back here, draw on the sides here, and really just finish this out. I'm going to leave you with that. Do the best you can, get about the right sizes, and we'll call that good for now. Get the walls in, and I'll meet you back for some more in a minute.